What's up, folks? This is a Honda update, and this is the Honda 200. The 250. I got one part for the 250, which is new battery. It's no big deal. This is the 200 update. I got a uni filter, which should go on this uni thing, which made in USA. There's still things made in USA. Surprised they didn't send it all to China. You know, China. Everybody's complaining about China. You know what? You still make foam in the USA. Got a uni filter. Oh, I like this. This is my favorite part about getting stuff in the mail, is when you get a sticker. Yeah. So, anybody got any stickers? Send me a sticker. What's this? Oh, there's another one too. Warning! I won't read that. I'll read it later. So I got the sticker. Got the uni filter, which looks like something you, I don't know, it's like some phallic, but I'm guessing it goes on like so. So we got a air filter for the bike, which let me lower this thing here. Fits like a glove that doesn't want to fit. I'm guessing I have to oil this first, but just put it on like this for now, just to see. So yeah, I got a new filter. I think you have to oil the filter. I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask people on Honda Hoarders and Big Red Nation. Got this, so that's good. I also picked up a carb cleaning kit, which I'll show you. This was I searched eBay for like, I don't know, 3 hours, just looking at junk because I'm an eBay hoe. And for the same price of one, I got two of them. If you look, you look. It's all the same shit from China, so. It's got the little, what looks like a crack pack here. Pack of crack. This is my hands are freezing touching this, just to let you know. It's the little schnozzles, to clean the schnozzle cleaners. Okay. The little nail file. And then if you want to, I got that, which is cool. And it came with an Allen key and a whole lot of brushes. Let me take this out of here. So, comes with a bunch of oops, there we go. They were like $7. This was it's got a bunch of brushes and some different size, looks like wires. This one's same thing. I bought two of them because I was like, I wasn't planning on buying two of them, but sometimes you go on eBay and you're like, well, if I can pay the same price and get all this thing, shit, twice, right? If I can buy all this for like $7 or $8 and get two of them for the same price of one, well, why not get two of them, right? Because I'm a sucker for punishment, and I know I'm going to break it, and it's going to break, and something's going to break off. And then boom, I'll need another one. So, or somebody's gonna be like, "Can I get one?" I'll be like, "Here, $7, yours." I'll buy another one. So that's done. So I got two of these. It's a cleaning set. It's a set of cleaning sets. So this is a cleaning set. This is a set of cleaning sets. So that's got that. I also got. No, my hands are freezing. What is this? Motion Pro. Made in, where's it made? Made in China, motionpro.com. Part number 02-0025, made in China. You want to read it? It is a cable, black vinyl front brake cable. And that's going on the ATC 282-200. I also got a Honda Motion Pro cable, black vinyl throttle cable, 02-0046. That's that one for the 200. See, cable comes in this little packaging. I also got a Motion Pro cable, black foot brake cable, which you could see there. Oops, is it upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. There's that one, 020082, made in China. It says, warning, this product can expose you to chemicals, including cadmium. Why would it be cadmium in a freaking cable? Like, oh, Motion Pro sticker. Ooh, I got a sticker. I got a completely wrecked sticker. And another nice sticker. So lots of Motion Pro stickers all over my. Got that, which is pretty cool. I hear Motion Pro makes some really good stuff. So also, I picked up genuine Honda. This is vent tubing. Why'd I get genuine Honda parts? Because genuine Honda is awesome. Who does not want genuine Honda parts? Right? Honda makes the bomb. And it's made in Thailand, not Japan. I got that. Also, now, put this down a little here so I can get the knife out. Oh, I did pick up another one of these a while ago. That's for the seat thing. I have at least 3 now. I think I have the other piece for it. My knife here. This is what I've been waiting for the most. It is open this up here very gently. Everyone tells me I should always get a shindy kit. I'm feeling made in Japan, so it's got to be decent. It's a shindy carburetor kit for the ATC 200 carburetor. So if you want to look at it here, read Shindy products. I have another. This is for my 250 ES one. It's a high caliper. I'm gonna buy a Shindy kit just because some extra parts. So that's gonna go. I gotta bring the carburetor home and make a little thing to clean it because it is too cold in here. Get my hands in there and clean it. It is absolutely freezing in here, so I'm gonna fix that. Maybe it'll work. I got one other thing too. Where is it? Oh yeah, this is for a future project. Future. This is. Anybody knows what this is? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you do. This is the kickstart gear to a 250S. I'm hoping it doesn't rust while it's in here. I gotta spray with some. So yeah, that's I paid $20 for this. Yeah. Thank you to whoever sold it to me. Wrap it in paper. With that said, I'm gonna be working on that. It's funny how like this people keep asking me why do I keep acquiring all this crap. Well, I was never a bike fixer. I never really fixed bikes. I used to just like playing with junk and making stuff, and and for years, even when I had the Big Red, I had 86 250ES Big Red. I never had like tools to fix it. I was just never. My father had tools, and he's like, "Yeah, I always wanted us to go to school and get a job and not play with some stuff." But it's fun. It keeps me busy. So now when you like start getting into doing it yourself, you got to get the carburetor kit, you got to get the little needles and the cleaning and all that stuff that everyone else who probably is watching my videos probably already has because you're all into bikes and doing that stuff. So I'm just basically acquiring a list of spare parts so that when they break, I don't have to go on eBay every week and buy them. So with that said, like I've been trying to basically keep a couple extra quarts of oil, at least 4 or 5 spark plugs. I have a whole entire box of oil filters. Different things. Like every time I see a CDI box I bought for cheap, I pick up one. I think I have 3 now. Little things, little buttons. Like I'll buy extra little things. But I'm trying to get the 85 fixed, and I'm trying to get this 1982 running, and I'm trying to make a kit. First, I'm getting the trunk from an 8200M, I think, or I don't know what it was. I'm getting the trunk from another bike, and I'm modifying it, and it looks like that. So far, it looks like it's not going to take a miracle to modify this bike to take aftermarket seats, because I want a set of Meyer fenders on here, and I want to make the bike look pretty. And I'm going to buy a front fender or sand it down, whatever. But I just want to make it look pretty. Like right now, the bike has fenders and they're pretty scruffy. So with that said, I got the seat cover coming in. I got a seat pan I got to grind down. Do the seat cover. Voila, should be perfect. So with that said, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I will be putting some videos up of me doing all this stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.